A few days ago, we witnessed the grand opening of Tesla's Giga Berlin factory and the handover of first 30 vehicles by Elon Musk to the first owners, Model Y owners, built at Giga Berlin. Now, how is the production going to ramp up? How many cars will Tesla build and produce at Tesla Giga Berlin? Automotive and Sport from Germany assumes that shortly after the start of production on Tuesday, 1,000 vehicles per week, and the first half of 2022, already 30,000 Model Y electric vehicles performance version will be produced at Grünheide. And we know that at full capacity, Tesla says it wants to produce up to 500,000 vehicles a year in Germany. So we're going to take a look at some of the details and some of the numbers of how Tesla is going to ramp up the production and what happens next. Welcome back, friends. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. If you are here first time, please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news and ring the bell so you don't miss my next Tesla coverage. So Jürgen, who tweets at Gigafactory Berlin Brandenburg on Twitter and has been providing daily information on Giga Berlin, has some new facts about Gigafactory Berlin. He says in his today's tweet that currently about 3,500 employees are working here. Couple of days ago, last week, it was 2,600. Now it looks like Tesla added about 900 more employees at Giga Berlin because Tesla's hiring agencies are actively working and hiring people for Giga Berlin. So Jürgen says currently about 3,500 employees are working there at Giga Berlin. He says, look at this, stamping produces a body part in 20 seconds. Like every 20 seconds, a new Tesla Model Y performance body part is produced by stamping. Do you guys know how to interpret this? Does that mean that Tesla is building new car every 20 seconds? This doesn't look like that, right? So, but if you know how to interpret, it may be different body parts, and I don't know how many body parts are used for one entire body. I believe the latest I heard was 2, rear and front, but I don't know. If you have any ideas what this could mean, stamping produces a body part in 20 seconds, let me know, friends, in the comment section below. Jürgen also says 400 robots assemble the body in BIW building. BIW is body in white. And he says second body production line is under construction. And he says water consumption per vehicle is 2.2 cubic meters. Now, don't confuse with the second whole entire production line. Jürgen says it may sound a little misleadingly worded. He says there is a second body line under construction. The water consumption remains again 2.2 cubic meters. Now, friends, what is interesting is that we know that a couple of days ago on March 22nd, Tesla boss Elon Musk personally handed over the first 30 Model Y vehicles, performance version, I believe, produced at Giga Berlin to their new owners. They were given a detailed tour of the factory beforehand. They could request a song for the handover of their car and then celebrate the opening with invited guests. In fact, you know what happened? A couple of days ago when I was reporting this handover, I used one of the Tesla videos, and the song was requested obviously with one of the owners, and when I was posting that video to YouTube thought it was copyrighted. Then I had to dispute it, saying, look, I didn't use this on myself. I'm reporting on an event and this video was there. So this is part of that they were given a detailed tour of the factory beforehand, and they could request a song for their handover, and I think one of these persons selected a song from the 80s. Incidentally, only the top Model Y performance was going to be built at Grünheide at the start. Now, this Gigafactory is 8 months late from the previous schedule. The fourth Tesla Gigafactory is also the company's first production site of electric vehicles in Europe, and its most advanced, sustainable, and efficient factory to date. Now, remember that Tesla had a production site. Actually, it was an assembly site in Netherlands. I think it still has for Model S assembly line. They just assemble their cars, not produce. But this is the Giga Berlin is Tesla's first production gigafactory in Europe. The Gigafactory Berlin is the fifth major Tesla production facility worldwide, alongside the plant in Fremont, California, and the gigafactories in Reno, Nevada, Buffalo, New York, and Shanghai, China. I think in Buffalo they don't make cars, they only make solar panels. Although Tesla was unable to keep the start of production of Giga Berlin originally planned for July 2021, the new factory was built in record time. After the announcement of November 2019, the construction phase began in spring 2020. The Gigafactory combines several production units on its 300-hectare site with a total area of more than 227,000 square meters. Now, let's take a look at what production ramp will look like at Giga Berlin, at least in the first half of 2022. I stress the first half of 2022 because as the production numbers improve, Tesla new employees learn how to build cars faster and better, the numbers are going to continue to change, and I'm going to report on that. This is why please subscribe to this channel for daily Tesla breaking news, friends. So according to Tesla, at full capacity, up to 12,000 employees will produce cars, battery cells, batteries, electric motors, plastic parts, seats, and axles at Giga Berlin. The factory currently employs, like I said, 3,000 plus 400 or so people, and has produced plenty of pre-series Model Ys in recent weeks. These were not for sale, these were for testing or for demo purposes, or I once reported that company can use them inside the premises of Giga Berlin for their needs. So they called it trial operation at Tesla because the final operating permit had not yet been issued at the time. In the first half of 2022, 30,000 vehicles are expected to leave the factory. So think of 30,000 vehicles until July 1st from Giga Berlin. Not only Tesla fans around the world are particularly excited about the quality of the vehicles that come from the German Gigafactory, expectations are high in this respect, with an expected annual production capacity of 500 vehicles. It was unclear until the end whether the regional water supplier would be allowed to supply a Gigafactory water at all, but on March 4, the administrative court in Frankfurt rejected the approval of the water pumping at the Egersdorf Foundation for formal reason. Now, here's what I'm going to decide. Look with you. From now, we are in end of March. We have April, May, June. 3 months. In 3 months, Tesla is expected to build 30,000 vehicles. This means Tesla is expected to build about 10,000 vehicles in 1 month. This means Tesla is probably building 300 vehicles each day and selling 300 vehicles each day. So look, the first day there was 30 vehicle handovers, and now Tesla should be getting up to 333 vehicles each day on an average to make 30,000 vehicles by the mid of 2022. Do you think these numbers are good? How can they impact Tesla? Let me know, friends, in your comment section. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Please subscribe to this channel and stay with us for daily Tesla news. I have more reports coming later today. God bless you, everyone. Peace be to the world and to all of us, to our hearts, and have a blessed day. See you soon in our next report.